In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a support ticket system using Clickup. To begin, open Clickup and go to the overview area of your workspace. You want to be in the main team space where you manage day-to-day work, since that is the best place to add a shared support system that your team can access. Once you are on the overview page, look for the option to work with templates. Templates are helpful here because they give you a complete ticketing structure in seconds, including lists and views that are already designed for support workflows. Click Templates to open the template library. In the template library, select the support ticket system template you want to use. Take a moment to review what it includes, since a good template will typically provide a central ticket list and supporting views that help you sort and manage incoming requests. When you are ready, click Use Template. Click Use Template again to confirm and finish applying it to your workspace. After this, Clickup will create the new folders, lists, and views automatically. Now that the template is installed, you will move through the key areas it created. Start by opening the ticket list. This is the main place where new support requests will appear as tasks. Each task represents one ticket, so naming tickets clearly and adding details in the task description will help your team respond faster and avoid back and forth. Next, open Ticket Priority. This view helps you quickly separate urgent issues from routine requests. Keeping priority up to date is important, especially when multiple team members are working tickets at the same time. Then go to Ticket Categories. Categories help you group tickets by topic, such as billing, technical issues, or general questions. Consistent categories make reporting and filtering much easier later. After that, open Ticket Status. This shows where each ticket stands in the workflow, like new, in progress, or completed. Make a habit of updating status as work moves forward, so everyone has a clear picture of what is happening. Finally, click Board to view your tickets in a visual, column-based layout. This is ideal for quickly spotting bottlenecks and dragging tickets from one stage to the next as they progress. That covers everything you need to know.